pool that I'll be showing you guys, the pool at my back guys. Actually, katapat siya ng massage area nitong 88 Hot Spring Resort and Spa. Yes, you've heard it right. Meron sila ditong massage area. So, if you wanted, or if you are the type of person na mahilig sa massage, this is the perfect place for you guys. Let's try the water. Ayun guys, nakapaglublub na tayo sa first pool nila. I think it is just 3 feet kasi hanggang bewang ko lang siya. And hindi siya normal pool kasi medyo maligam-gam yung water niya. Hindi siya ganun kainit. Pero nakaka-relax siya guys. When it comes to physical distancing and health precautions naman guys, they observe physical distancing here naman. Well of course, pag mag-swimming ka, hindi mo na kailangan magsuot ng face mask saka face shield. Of course, paano ka malalangoy kung naka-face mask ka. Pero napaka-konti ng tao. Pero, sabi ng front desk, fully booked na sila. So, meaning to say, they really observe physical distancing here. Kasi, meron minimum capacity. Hindi nila pinupuno yung lahat ng rooms ng accommodations nila dito. Join with me guys, as kasi. So the next pool that they have guys is this 9 pieces set of octagon shaped pool guys, and hot spring pa rin siya, and yung temperature niya guys is actually 43.8. Nakakaluto na siya ng itlog guys, at ang init niya. Compared dun sa first pool, mas mainit yung temperature nitong octagon pools na. Hindi ko kaya. Egg or boiled egg. Okay. Here guys, on the third pool that 88 Hot Spring Resort and Spa have, I think it is sort of a kiddie pool kasi may slide, and then beside it meron mini bar kung saan pwede bumili ng snack. Well, compared dun sa dalawang pool na pinuntahan natin guys, medyo malalim ito kasi hanggang leg ko siya, and warm lang, hindi mainit. Medyo nakakapagod siya guys kasi medyo magkakalayo yung mga pool. Itong couch na hinigan ko, if naka-check-in naman kayo dito, free naman siya. Same as yung mga open cottages that I've shown you before. May access kayo doon if you check in inside the resort guys. Sabi ko nga kanina guys, beside this kiddie pool, since meron dong slide, is meron tayong mini market version at nagpapatugtog sila ng mga music, so nakakadagdagan sa relax. Pweh! Sorry. That's 4 swimming pools guys. Nandito tayo uli, malapit sa restaurant nila. Nakikita nyo ba yung hot spring? Literal, umuusok siya guys. At ito yung pang 5, pang 6, at pang 7 doon, then pang 8 doon. Later papakita ko yun. Pero hindi ko itatry itong mga pools na to guys kasi medyo mainit. Yung 43 doon medyo nakakapaso na. Ano pa kaya ito? Dito medyo umuusok na guys. So sorry. Dito tayo sa iba. Ito yung pang 8. I-correct nyo na lang ako kung mali yung bilang guys. And then, ito sa likod nito, full on siya. Let's take a seat lang. Ako may back. Ito siya. Okay na. Well, sadly, hindi ko na siya itatry kasi parang naluto na yung itlog ko dun sa medyo may init guys. Ito siya, ito yung mga pools guys. Let's check the other. Malapit na natin maubos yung 11 pools nila guys at ito na yung last. Actually yung 9, 10 at 11 pool nila guys is beside the restaurant. Ito siya guys. Ayan. At yung dito sa baba. Doon ko yung pag-grand staircase. So guys. Dito mas konti yung tao. Yung dito mo guys, unlike any other pools, ito yung normal pool nila kasi hindi siya warm. Medyo malamig siya actually, so walang hot spring dito, wala siyang heater. So, ito yung pinaka-perfect. Pag hapon, or pag mainit.
Malalim.
Guys, so those are the 11 pools of 88 Hot Spring Resort and Spa. Well, if you are going to ask me guys, worth it yung babayaran mo ditong entrance along with the check-in and accommodation kasi malaki yung place, B1 with nature, maganda yung quality ng hot spring nila kasi natural, galing sa Makiling guys. And if you really wanted to stress out, makalimot sa mga problema, this is an option guys, near Manila. I think it's just around 2 to 3 hours away. So that's basically the end of this video guys. If you do like this video, please do give a thumbs up and comment down below if you wanted also to go on a vacation. Bye guys, this is Ronnie once again.